Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd. This is Amsa. Today I am going to explain about extrusion and blend. So let's start. For that I am going to components under model in place. In that I am going to select like casework only, casework, then OK. Then here we need to give a name or else just give a OK. See, the ribbon tool will be changed now. In that first one is extrusion. First I am going to select extrusion and then set a work plane, pick a plane. OK, I just select this front wall and then go to the front view. And then here I am going to make some model. See, the front view perfectly set it. This is show and off icon. Here I'd like to make some model. For that I am going to select rectangle from this corner to this corner. I delete this bottom line. Then I'll select again offset option, that is I would like to give like 6 inches. From this side and this side and from the top side. Then select the trim corner option. I just join this corner and then select the line option. Select this two and this corner. Press escape and then this corner to this corner and then give finish. See, wait, I'll show you. See, this is our extrusion plane. Select this. See, here we have a option extrusion end and extrusion start. Extrusion start will be 0. If you need to change any extrusion end means you can able to possible here. For that go here, for example I'm going to change here 6 inches. Sorry, it is 6 feet. 6 inches. Then apply. See, now it's changed. Okay now. So once again I will teach you. Select the create, in that extrusion select the whatever shape you need, you can select it. Select from this corner to and then this corner. Then again select the offset option, and that is 6 inches for me enough for that. Then give finish. See, that's it. Okay, select this as usual extrusion and your wish. Here I'm going to change 6 inches. Then for example you need to extend only this corner means, see, drag. This is approximate. Clear? Select this corner and drag this. Okay na? Okay. Our next one is go to create blend. Same procedure, go to set, select the plane is OK, then OK, select the model, select whatever design, then go to edit top, make the top. Then finish. That's it. This is the procedure for the extrusion and blend usage. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.